Hi students, today I solve a nice logarithm problem which is find x of 5 to the power log of x base 10 minus 3 to the power log of x base 10 minus 1 equal to 3 to the power log of x base 10 plus 1 minus 5 to the power log of x base 10 minus 1. First, we write this term 5 to the power log of x base 10 minus this means 3 to the power log of x base 10 by 3 equal to 3 to the power log of x base 10 plus 1, that means 3 times 3 to the power log of x base 10 minus 5 to the power log of x base 10 minus 1, that means 1 by 5. Now we write this term here and this term here. So 5 to the power log of x base 10 here minus, so left hand side plus 5 to the power log of x base 10 by 5 equal to 3 times 3 to the power log of x base 10 here minus, so right hand side plus 3 to the power log of x base 10 by 3. Now we take common 5 to the power log of x base 10. So 1 plus 1 by 5 equal to, now we take common 3 to the power log of x base 10. So 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we write this term here. So 5 to the power log of x base 10 by 3 to the power log of x base 10 times, here I have 1, so LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. So here 5 plus 1 equal to LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3 times 3 9 plus 1. So 5 by 3 whole to the power log of x base 10 times 5 plus 1, that means 6, 6 by 5 equal to 9 plus 1, that means 10, 10 by 3. 5 by 3 whole to the power log of x base 10 equal to 10 by 3. Now we write this term here. So 5 of the numerator and 6 of the denominator. Two times 5 10, 2 times 3 6. So 5 by 3 whole to the power log of x base 10 equal to 5 times 5, that means 5 square. 3 times 3, that means 3 square. So 5 by 3 whole to the power log of x base 10 equal to 5 by 3 whole square. Now we use index formula. A to the power m equal to a to the power n implies m equal to n. So log of x base 10 equal to 2. Now we use the formula log of a base b equal to m implies a equal to b to the power m. So here a means x, b means 10 and m means 2. So x equal to 10 to the power 2. So x equal to 100. So this is the final answer.
Please subscribe this channel, click the bell icon, like, share and comment.